Hello again!
Ciao Picciotte e Picciotti! Ciao dear Sicily lovers!
Please, don't cry! Don't cry!
Ciao! Happy to see you again!
She's always screaming, all the time, always screaming.
Because I'm happy!
Please!
And I need to show my happiness with our beautiful Sicily lovers around the world.
So guys, we are very, very proud to show you another beautiful village. As I said a couple of hours ago.
Because this is the third live broadcast.
This is the third broadcast today. Today is our last day of freedom. No, finger crossed. Perhaps we will go ahead and we will be able to show you other beautiful Sicilian locations in the next weeks. Even if we are in a lockdown, tomorrow the new lockdown will start again. So we will not able to travel, to leave our town. So perhaps we will try a way to
keep traveling.
Yeah, to keep traveling, to keep the connection. To your ancestor town alive and strong. So we will show you the best of Sicily anymore. We will try our best. We will do our best to make it possible.
Because this is our mission.
Our mission,
Our
of
mission
course.
is bring our beloved island to you.
So we are in a beautiful village. This is so nice, so authentic, and has an important feature. One of the few villages in Italy, perhaps one of the 2 or 3 villages is in Sicily, where people don't speak a Sicilian dialect, but the Albanian dialect, because this is an ancient colony of Albanian people in Italy. This is Piana degli Albanesi. In English, we could translate it as the shell of the Albanian people, because it's a beautiful place surrounded by mountains with a beautiful lake, and they have some special corners, some special narrow streets, and we are very, very excited to show you. So let's start from the place where we are now. Let me switch, guys. So we are in front of the Church of San Demetrio. I don't know in English if there is a translation. Demetrio is a typical ancient name, and this is the beautiful Cathedral of San Demetrio. As you can see, there are some beautiful paintings from the Byzantine period over there, because Piana degli Albanesi, how do you say, has an Orthodox heritage. So they still speak not Sicilian but Albanian. Of course, they speak Italian as a first language. Ciao, Tom. Let's say hello. Good morning, Tom. How are you? Tom is a special friend, and thank you so much for
Tom,
what you have done.
Tom made a great donation, and so we really thank you.
Tom, you are wonderful. As other beautiful people in this community, we are so proud, we are so happy to have beautiful people like you, and
with a big heart.
Yeah, you have a big heart. Thank you so much for your donation, for your participation in the fundraising. And Tom, this is a beautiful village. Let me introduce some people.
Yes, some local people.
Because we had the opportunity in the last few hours to plan this live broadcast and to study in advance what Piana degli Albanesi offers. We went in a couple of stores where they make the special bread, where they make the special cannoli. Piana degli Albanesi is so famous for the cannoli. So we paid in advance what we have to buy now, what we have to take now, just to be faster. And now we will show you the special cannolis. So let's start with some people from Piana degli Albanesi and Santa Cristina Gela. That's another village very close to Piana degli Albanesi where they speak also Albanian. So abbiamo qua due ragazze, eccole qua. Mettiamo la mascherina, Rosella.
I'm here with my mask. So look at my smile now.
Now the smile disappear. Ciao ragazze.
Ciao.
Ciao, come vi chiamate? What's your name?
Alessandra.
Alessandra?
Miriam.
Again, dillo di nuovo.
My name is Miriam.
Miriam and Alessandra. Voi siete di Santa Cristina Gela.
Yes.
Allora, mettiti qua così parli con...
Ci fate un bel saluto nella vostra lingua?
Dillo che loro sono di Santa Cristina Gela.
L'hai appena detto tu.
In inglese magari.
They are from Santa Cristina Gela.
Santa Cristina Gela is another village where people has an heritage from Albany. So, ci fate un saluto, quello che volete dire?
Fale.
Fale.
Che significa?
Ciao.
Falem from Sicily.
Volevo aggiungere che i cannoli più buoni li facciamo noi a Santa Cristina.
This is a challenge.
So there is a challenge, Rosella.
This is a
Questa
challenge.
chiamata voglio che arriva al bar Biscotti di Santa Cristina Gela per far sapere che i cannoli più buoni li fanno loro. Perché la ricotta viene prodotta praticamente dietro il bar. Molti bar invece fanno che la crosta attorno al cannolo viene comprata, mentre la fanno loro in casa. E
So
la
next
ricotta
time.
praticamente la mettono dentro il cannolo che ancora è calda.
Wow.
Aspetta.
There is a challenge.
Levati la mascherina perché non si capisce niente, se no.
There is a challenge between the cannoli produced here in Piana degli Albanesi and the cannoli produced in Santa Cristina
Gela.
And so we need to test both to decide the winner. And now let's go.
Of course, those ladies are saying they are so proud to be from Santa Cristina Gela, and they are so proud, and they are saying, "Oh, our cannoli are better than cannoli made here in Piana degli Albanesi." I don't want to say nothing. I only say that they are delicious.
Yeah.
They are so big, but delicious. So let's start our guided tour. Let's say hello also to Michelle.
Ciao Michelle.
Good morning.
Ciao.
Ciao, salutate. Ciao. Grazie. Ok, so Rosella, go ahead.
Scusi, come si chiamava la pagina?
Best things to do in Sicily. Follow me, Gianca. Look at this beautiful stairs made by cobblestone with cobblestone.
Cobblestone. Or pebbles? No, they are bigger than pebbles. Hello, Ellen! Ellen Cremasco! Let me switch. She needs my special hello, my special good morning, Ellen. And good morning, Peter Confalone. How are you guys? So this is our third live broadcast today. This is our last day of freedom, and we want to take the advantage to show the best we can. And we are now in Piana degli Albanesi, a little village in the province of Palermo, very famous because it's an ancient colony from Albanian people here in Sicily. They settled to Sicily in the 15th century because they were, they were involved in a war, in a fight against Turkish people. So they ran away, they escaped from Albany, and they settled here in Sicily and founded this nice village. Oh, look at the...
Yes.
This is a masterpiece just behind me.
Hey,
Guys,
hey.
this is oh, I have to switch it.
Yeah.
Sorry. I tried to switch. I tried. Oh.
This is handmade.
I go closer. Linda!
Ah, Linda!
Good morning!
I hope
You saw the live broadcast from your hometown, from San Giuseppe Iato. We've been there a couple of hours ago. So please check our page and look at our last broadcast.
Because we dedicated to you, to your hometown.
Yeah. So let's go, Rosella, and try to show the best we can.
Are sleeping.
Yeah, we are screaming. We are screaming, as
No,
always.
sleeping.
And we are screaming.
We have to scream for our friends.
So let's go this way. Linda wrote that she saw it.
Oh, I'm very happy.
Guys, this is so nice, so authentic. It looks like a ghost town, but actually a lot of people still live here. They have, as I said, they have an Albanian origin. They speak Italian as first language and Albanian as second language, as a dialect. So they don't speak Sicilian. This is so funny. They understand Sicilian, but they don't speak it. Oh, look at that.
And we are approaching the main square. A piazza.
Oh, that's the Albanian flag.
Yeah.
This statue is dedicated to a priest, Padre Guzzetta, who built another church.
The church. And as you can see, they are restoring the front of the church. Let's see that beautiful corner.
As you can see, guys, they still use the double languages, so Italian and Albanian. Proloco Piana degli Albanesi. This is a sort of city hall, town hall.
This fountain is named a Fontana Regi Cannoli,
Yeah?
and there is a beautiful tradition here.
A beautiful legend.
Legend. It's true because during the Epifania,
Yeah?
they used to let fly.
Fly? A dove
a white dove.
that represents the Holy Spirit.
Yes. And so they keep alive this tradition.
Epifania, so January the 6th.
The 6th. Bravo, Gianca.
Let me show this beautiful narrow street. Another beautiful stone staircase over there. Hello Rosanne again. Hello Tina. So guys, is there anybody out there who has a origin from Santa Cristina Gela or Piana degli Albanesi? Hello Debbie, hello Darlene. Yeah, we look forward to meeting you in person, Darlene. It will be a very exciting thing for us. And so please, write in the comments, guys, if you have an origin here from these places, from Piana degli Albanesi, from Santa Cristina Gela. They are both villages who still are connected with the Albany. So they still bring the Albanian traditions. Debbie's from Polizia Generosa. Wow, we've been there 40 days ago, more or less.
And we are working on the new video.
Yeah.
Gianca is working.
I will edit, I'm going to edit a video dedicated to Polizia Generosa in the next days. We've been there during the event by Domenico Dolce, the stylist, the famous stylist, Dolce & Gabbana. And so we recorded a lot of clips, so it will be a very, very beautiful and long video. So stay tuned. Now it's time to
a tasty stop.
Yeah, since we planned our live broadcast in advance, now we are ready to enter the first store dedicated to bread. I wear again my mask and we switch.
Look at the color. It is brown because the oven is
Wooden oven, and this is the traditional bread from Piana degli Albanesi. Wow. Ok, let's go. Buongiorno di nuovo. Eccoci qua nuovamente. Allora, Vittorio is the owner of this beautiful store. They sell not only bread, they sell wine. Oh, we have a lot of bottles. We have many important Sicilian brands. But the most important thing, in my opinion, is cheese. Oh, we can see some sausage, some salumi as well.
And I would like to take a piece of cheese, of course.
But you have to be honest, Rosella. You have to say, you have to admit that you've been here before in advance, so we already had our cheese.
Can you see, Gian?
Oh, sorry, I forgot. I didn't. Wow. So this is a pecorino cheese. Traditional pecorino cheese from Piana degli Albanesi.
Facciamolo vedere bene.
Ok, beautiful. Quanto è invecchiato questo? Un anno? Dillo.
So, 1 year aged.
But they also make caciocavallo cheese. So that's caciocavallo and that's pecorino. They also have tomato paste.
Look at
Usciato in Sicilian. We say sciatto or estratto in Italian. Oh, guys.
Oh, look at this also. So big, look at this. So tasty.
And they also have nuts. They have almonds. They have oregano. Lentils. Wow. Oh, they have also traditional cookies. They sell oil, honey, oh, many things. Vittorio, complimenti. Avete tante cose bellissime. Guys, if you come to Sicily, if you come to Piana degli Albanesi, don't miss the opportunity to meet Vittorio, to enjoy all the excellent food that he has in the store. Do you like my mask? Allora, prendiamo pure il pane. Let's take bread. Oh, careful. Vuoi dire qualcosa? Rosella, where did you find this mask?
We will tell you.
It's a secret. Ok. E ce li ho. Quanto devo dare? Grazie Vittorio, alla prossima, in bocca al lupo per tutto, che ne abbiamo bisogno. Per tutti, per tutti.
Ciao.
Ciao.
I'm happy with my shopping bag. And now, another tasty stop.
So let me say something about this beautiful village. Guys, you can see over there a little portion of a lake. This is the lake of Piana degli Albanesi. If you watch our last broadcast, you can see Piana degli Albanesi from above with a beautiful view. We were traveling from San Giuseppe Jato. At the end of the broadcast, we had the opportunity to see the village of Piana degli Albanesi from above. You can see the lake. But now it's time for our second tasty stop. Let me switch again. We already know what we are expecting. Buongiorno di nuovo. Allora, approfittiamone per fare vedere le cose buone che fanno. Iniziamo da... So we have the Tavelli Cakes, my favorite cake. Not a whole traditional cake. A pastry maker from Palermo invented this cake, made this cake about 25 years ago. But it's unbelievable, guys. It's incredible. And they have the famous tattoo, the cookies we used to make during the period of late October, early November.
Yes.
Then we have the marzipan fruits. In Sicily, in Italy, how do we call it?
Frutta di martorana.
Frutta martorana.
Frutta martorana.
Or marzipan fruits. Oh, look at the beautiful shapes.
And they are hand painting.
Yeah, everything is hand painted, everything is handmade in Sicily. Vediamo che cosa abbiamo invece. Allora,
Stanno mandando un bel cannolo espresso.
hai visto? E chi è che non si... Chi è che si perde questa occasione?
Ce lo
Nessuno.
fate un bel saluto nel mondo?
Siamo in diretta in questo momento in America, in Canada, nel mondo in generale, però in particolare ci stanno guardando dalla Nord America. Volete salutare? No, già ne abbiamo prenotato il nostro. un saluto, salutate. Ciao. Allora,
We are enjoying a tasty stop.
facciamolo vedere in anteprima perché il nostro è già là. Oh, wonderful. So, everybody's taking picture. Everybody is looking forward to enjoy cannolo. Non vedete l'ora di mangiare il cannolo, sto dicendo. Buon appetito! E allora, qui abbiamo una cosa spettacolare. Rosella.
Look how big it is!
Mettiti vicino. Mettiti vicina. E questa poi ti facciamo una foto. Wow. Sì. So, dillo che questa non è la dimensione normale.
Of course, this is not the normal size, but they organize a beautiful feast in April.
It's a sort of contest.
Yes.
Oh, look at that. This is the original size compared to the Guinness size. So, what we have? We have buccellati.
Buccellati, and I don't want to say nothing, but maybe in the next virtual cooking class we can do something like this.
Don't spoil, please.
I don't know.
Then we have, this is my mom's favorite cookies, i biscotti di San Martino, San Martin's cookies. We used to enjoy them with fortified wine, with
Right.
Moscato, with Zibibbo. They have the wild fennel inside.
Seeds.
The seeds,
Yes.
wild fennel seeds.
Yes.
Oh, then we have the almond cookies. You already know the almond cookies. If you if you participated to our last virtual cookery events with Sabina, and then we have other almond cookies. They are harder, they are raw, so they are more delicate, they are raw.
And then we have i savoiardi, che si suppone a mattina culatti.
Oh, this is the special breakfast for some Sicilian people.
And also we used to use savoiardi to make tiramisu.
Yeah, you're right, Rossella.
And always right, Gianca, you know.
This is the special base, the special ingredient for tiramisu.
Yeah.
And now we are ready to enjoy our cannoli. Dove sono i cannoli? Li prendiamo.
Veniamo lì da lei? Ok. Wow, sì.
Oh. So, we are so glad to introduce you Mr. Cuccia. Il signor Cuccia è il proprietario di questa pasticceria. So, Mr. Cuccia is the owner of this pastry shop, and now he's preparing cannoli express. Wow.
We have ordered some cannoli to bring at home. Then we have the orange, candied orange peel. And icing sugar.
Icing sugar, and of course the handmade shell.
Yes.
Fresh ricotta cheese and handmade shell. Very crunchy, very crispy. Perfetto, complimenti.
Grazie.
Allora,
noi abbiamo il nostro sacchettino, giusto?
Sì, però sto facendo direttamente ora.
Ah, these are our cannoli. So, he's filling our cannoli. So, I'm very happy because this dinner will be with this beautiful and so tasty cannoli.
but not only you. My mom,
Also?
perhaps my sister. Because they are so big. Guys, if you come to Sicily, if you visit Piana degli Albanesi, don't miss the opportunity to meet Mr. Cuccia. This is the name of his bar, Antico Bar Sport. And this is the name, Marco Antonio Cuccia.
Sì.
Oh,
L'impasto.
and this is a secret, guys. Inside the cannolo shells, there is the wine.
So, ingredients, flour and wine. Strutto non so come si
I
dice.
don't know, it's a
Just-
sort of butter, but
Something like
stronger.
butter, yeah.
Ok.
Yeah. Questo è il nome del bar.
Sì.
And this is the name of the bar.
Antico Bar Sport, la casa del cannolo, Cannoli House.
Oh, I'm so happy with my cannoli. Me lo dà un attimo che così lui mi fa un primo piano e poi lo usiamo come copertina. Dove mi metto?
Qua, al bancone di dietro.
Vediamo come fa il caffè.
Così lo usiamo come copertina.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Bravissimo. Poi c'è la manda.
Aspetta, intanto riprendo. Ti vedere?
Anzi, ce la fa una foto e ce la manda.
Esatto.
Che ne abbiamo bisogno.
Allora, una bella foto. Aspetta un po', ecco, aspetta.
Oh.
Aspetta. Io la faccio prima per
Grazie. Grazie.
Grazie.
Ora mi dici dove te la vai.
Sì. Ora mi sa che dobbiamo tornare un'altra volta qua.
Ora
Perché...
le lascio il numero. Ok. E
Allora.
vado il primo piano a me, Gianca?
Sì, bellissima. Ok, gli puoi restituire il vassoio adesso.
Ok.
Perché il vassoio lo lasciamo, quello non ce lo mangiamo.
Questa trasmissione è già andata in onda?
Sì, sono in diretta, questo momento.
Che TV è?
Vi lo scrivo sul canale della mistrina.
Siamo in diretta in America, in Canada, abbiamo anche degli amici in Australia che ci seguono
Così può controllare il nome poi.
e promuoviamo la Sicilia nel mondo. Siamo orgogliosi di essere siciliani, prima di tutto. Non siamo palermitani, non siamo di Piana, non siamo di Catania, siamo siciliani. Questa è la cosa che ci lega.
And after cannolo, of course, they are enjoying a Sicilian espresso. Mwah!
Giusto. Perfect combination. Coffee and cannoli.
Ok.
Io... Io sì. Mi devo muovere però. Non ti avvicinare. Oh, Rosella.
Oh, I'm very happy.
Hai ringraziato il signor Cuccia?
Sì.
So, what did you buy?
Cannoli and San Martino cookies.
Where are cannolis? I'm worried about cannoli. Okay, cannoli. The most important thing for me.
Ok. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's have the first stop. The third stop. Can I help you?
No, I'm fine.
Are you doing bodybuilding?
You are the cameraman because I know that you are jealous about the camera and so
Guarda che non si capisce niente. Già hai la mascherina, parli di spalle. Cioè. Jovan says go to the museum.
the museum is closed.
But Jovan is from Piana degli Albanesi? Jovan, lo piccolo. Have you an origin from Piana degli Albanesi? Anyway, we went to the museum. It's closed right now. It will open only in the morning, and we are in the afternoon in Sicily. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So we will try to show you another beautiful location. Oh, look at that. In the meantime, I want to show you this. There are beautiful narrow streets here in Piana degli Albanesi. So let's start from the right. So picturesque. Oh, Jovan said he used to spend his holidays, his summers here
Wow.
Oh, Giovanni. So you are proud of your origins here in not origins of your holidays here in Piana degli Albanesi. So look at that, guys. This is one side of the village. It's surrounded by mountains. And this is the other side. Over there you can see, if you are a good watcher, you can see a little portion of the lake. Ciao! Another beautiful Fiat 500. Wow, Rosella. It's the perfect car for you.
Yes, this is right for my size, my small size.
But you have to wait only a few months.
I hope.
In the next months, Rosella, where are you running away? In the next months, Rosella, Gianca will give you a special gift.
I wait for this special gift.
We will use our Fiat 500.
Go all around Sicily.
Actually, I own a Fiat 500 too, a blue Fiat 500 from the 1666, and I look forward to using it, to driving it, and take the opportunity to show you the best of Sicily driving our beautiful Fiat 500.
Of course, you both, when, not now, because now we have no money anymore.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Wow. Facciamo cambio? La tengo un po' io la camera? No, 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 no.
Not this way. Not this way.
way.
Not this way.
Example.
Rosella tried to jump and leave me alone.
Maybe I can fly. Oh, guys, look over there.
So that's where we are going to.
Maybe it's better to speak now because inside there will be some noise, of course.
Okay, let's say where we are going to.
Yeah. We are going to the millstone to see how we produce the olive oil, the true extra virgin olive oil. And as you can see, there are some guys. They are waiting for the machine to get their own oil. And
So they are in the line. They are waiting their turn to make their olive oil with their olives.
Yes.
Because everybody in Sicily used to pick, to collect olives, and we go to the mill to make our own olive oil. Not all the people, but
the most of Sicilian people.
the majority. If people, of course, if people has a garden
Or countryside.
and they grow olives in their garden, of course they pick and collect olives and go to the millstone to make their own olive oil. This is so incredible. It's oh, look at that.
Yes, before to go there, let's have a stop.
Oh, beautiful. This is a beautiful pool, a beautiful fountain. Ok, dai. Vai tu. Ok, no. Oh, guys. Allora, intanto buongiorno.
Perdita, saluti da Piana di Albanesi.
Bravo. Com'è la produzione di olio quest'anno?
Qualità ottima, quantità
Poca.
media.
Aspetta che lo traduco. He says the quality this year is excellent. The quantity is no good because we had a bad season, but the quality of olive oil is incredible high.
Especially in Sicily. In
In America vuoi fare un saluto?
In America.
Siamo in America, in diretta.
Ciao americani! Io a San Francisco c'ho parenti.
Come si chiamano? Come si chiamano?
Pecoraro.
He has
Pecoraro,
relatives in San
Pecoraro.
Francisco.
So he
Pecoraro.
says hello to his relatives in San Francisco, name Pecoraro family.
E Matranga.
Come si chiama lei?
Giuseppe.
Giuseppe from Piana degli Albanesi.
E Matranga pure.
E Matranga as well.
San Francisco. Ciao ragazzi.
Ciao.
Buon divertimento.
Ciao, saluti. Ciao.
Anche follow me.
Follow Rosella, let's follow Rosella. Ah, aspetta. Buongiorno, salutiamo. Buongiorno. Prima che finisce. Wow. grazie. Buona serata. Grazie. Oh wow. Guys, I'm so happy. So excited. So that's the real color of olive oil.
Yeah.
Not yellow,
Yeah.
not orange, not red. This is green color. This is the real color, green, a deep, deep green. So don't trust anyone who says that the olive oil should be yellow, should be brown. No, the real color when we squeeze, we squash the olives is green.
Yes.
And it has to be a little bit spicy.
Yes.
Right, Rosella?
And a little bit bitter.
A little bit bitter and spicy. Just like
Yes.
it contains the red hot chili pepper.
Yeah.
So,
Only at the beginning. After 1-2 months.
yeah, it loses the spicy taste. But at the beginning, so when you make olive oil, it's incredible spicy and incredible green.
And one of my favorite snack in this period is the hot bread with fresh olive oil. This is unbelievable, guys. This is one of the most delicious flavor.
So look at what Alisa said. Alisa,
Oh.
first of all, Alisa, we
love you.
love you. First of all, she wrote Robert as husband.
Wow.
Sponsored an olive tree at a farm in Sicily, and we receive olive oil from it every quarter.
Wow.
This is incredible. This is a great idea.
Wow.
So you know what we are talking about. You know what we mean. We are so proud. Olive oil is. I read the comment. Perhaps it was also Alisa.
Yes.
A beautiful comment. She wrote, "Liquid gold." Yeah,
Yes.
you're absolutely right. That's our gold.
That's the reason why my face looks so young.
She uses she uses
it's
olive
true.
oil in. She covers the face
Yes.
with olive oils.
In
She has,
particular, here.
yeah,
Olive oil
against
here is-
against the lines.
Yes.
The lines of age. Rosella
Yes.
is a old, elderly woman. She needs a lot of olive oil.
Thank you, Gianca.
You're welcome.
I love you. Thank you.
Thank you. I love you too. And I'm joking, of course. She's a baby, but she doesn't need olive oil. But olive oil has important features. So if you have olive oil, but the real olive oil at home, please use it. Put in the face, and
On
you
your
will
skin.
realize
Yes.
how it makes your skin better, younger.
Yeah.
Even if you are a child like Rosella.
And of course, is very healthy. And so it belongs to our Mediterranean diet. And
Yeah,
so,
you know, Mediterranean diet, it now belongs to the UNESCO immaterial heritage. So it means not only beautiful archaeological site, also the Mediterranean diet is included in this particular list of masterpieces. So, and the olive oil is one of the best ingredients of our cuisine. And let me read other comments. Oh, Donna Naples, buongiorno, we love you. Michelle Trombetta, ciao. I hope to not forget anyone. Roseanne, Debbie La Martina, thanks for watching. Peter, l'oro verde della nostra terra, you're right. Marianne and Sage, love hot bread and olive oil. That's what Rosella said. This is our tradition. The first thing when I make my own olive oil, not this year because this is a bad harvest for me. Next year, the first thing we used to do when we make our own olive oil is to enjoy olive oil with bread, hot bread, some a pinch of salt,
And you can add
and
also oregano.
I love oregano. Yeah, I love oregano. So very poor combination: olive oil, oregano, and salt, and you have
The best lunch ever.
the best ever. Sorry for my bad English, guys. I'm touched about this this show. This is a spectacular show. Debbie Crawford wrote the only way to eat bread with olive oil. Yes, my nonna told us to use olive oil on our face too.
Yeah.
Thank you, Debbie, for confirming Rosella's words. Rosella is beautiful.
Thank you. You too.
My friend Nadia, who is a hairdresser, uses it in her hair.
Yes,
Wow.
it's a wonderful. Also, if you want to make, come si dice, un impacco, like a beauty
Package.
package, yes, on your hair.
I don't know what Rosella is saying, but I trust her.
O può mettere pure un capito, capisci o no?
I give you another suggestion. When I was so young, about 12, 15 years old, I used to put olive oil on my skin to have a better sun bath, abbronzatura,
Sì.
to become darker during the
But
summertime.
it's not good.
I think it's not so healthy,
Yeah.
but all the people in my generation, all the young boys of my generation used to do it. Someone put also carrot, but olive oil, in particular olive oil to become darker.
Suntan.
Suntan, yeah. Thank you,
Thank you.
Michael, sorry, Michael.
We are improving our English.
Michael Petty. Such great information. Thank you, Rosella and Gianca. Keep sharing your light with us.
We are
Guys,
trying to do this because we are able to do this because we do with our heart.
so you know, guys,
Oh, don't forget,
oh.
sardi salati. You are
sardi
right.
salate, yeah, the salty sardines. Alisa said conditioner for the
Conditioner.
hair. Okay, that's
Thank
the
you,
name.
Alisa.
Thank you, Alisa. Donna Naples confirmed. Suntan. Suntan, everybody. Thank you guys for helping me in English. My English is so
Pure, limitless.
limited.
Limited.
My
Sorry,
vocabulary
not limitless.
is so limited, so I need your help. Let's go ahead. We did it too in California, said Linda. I use olive oil as suntan oil too. Thank you, darling, for confirming this. I thought I was crazy, so I'm not the only one. Sorry, I'm joking. Oh, my grandfather used it to remove paint from his skin. Wow, I didn't know. So it's a miracle.
Yeah.
It has many purposes. It has many reasons why you can use it. No, Donna, you're too kind with me, too gentle. And my English is not excellent. I'm trying to improve it. I'm trying to do it better, but
I think-
I'm so distant from the excellent English.
But I have to say that thanks to you,
Yeah.
we are improving our English because each live broadcast we learn new words, new way to say, and so
We improve it more and more. Sorry,
Yes.
guys. Guys, what do you think about this? These patterns, the Sicilian style. Rosella. Perhaps we could be able to
shit.
to give you the opportunity to buy some of these in the next days.
Maybe.
I'm spoiling. I'm revealing some secrets.
This is a secret, Gianca.
We don't want to add nothing more. Shut up. Keep your mouth closed, perfectly closed. So guys, we are trying to work in another project, and in the next days you will see some news in our website, in our Facebook page, because we are approaching a new lockdown, so we can permit to stay at home and watch TV, watching my beautiful view. Okay, that's a beautiful view, but I can survive with my view. We need something more to go ahead, to go on, and we are creating something new. And in the next days you will see, you will know what we'll doing for you. It's something for you, of course, dedicated to all Sicilian people, all Sicily lovers in America, in Canada, in Australia.
Proud. Let me say proud.
So step by step, we don't want to give up. Tomorrow it's the first day in Sicily of a new, very, very sad lockdown, and we will not be able to go out from our town, from the area of our town. We will try to find a way to give you the opportunity to know the best of Sicily as before. So we don't want to stop our activity. We don't want to lose our hope. We don't want to stop sending our good vibes. We want to stay positive in our soul, in our mind, no matter what they say. Okay, we are safe. We are so fine, and we want to keep vibing in a good way.
Yes, in a positive way.
In a positive way.
Yes.
What else?
Again, thank you for your help.
We want to dedicate this live broadcast to whom? All the people
who donate us something.
And guys, this something is more than you can imagine, because it's the most important effort that we could receive from you in this moment, in this particular crazy situation. So sto perdendo la voce. I'm so touched. I don't have a voice anymore. Please, Rosella, help me.
So again, thank you for your great donations, because as you know, Jerry Genovese, a beautiful American lady with Sicilian origin, started a fundraising.
We didn't push there.
This is
I'm honest.
A Jerry idea.
I was so, I'd say, touched and embarrassed, because she was she did it on her own, and so thank you, Jerry, for doing this.
This was a beautiful surprise.
And thanks to all the people who follow Jerry's gesture. So thank you all for participating in this fundraising.
Yes.
You are giving us you don't know what you are giving us more than life. It's not a question of money. You are giving us the courage, the power to go on.
Yes.
In this crazy situation.
And we really appreciate each donation.
Yeah.
No matter if it's
a big amount.
No.
A dollar is enough for us.
Yes.
And if you are shy, do it anonymous. So Don't worry. And we will appreciate. And you don't know how we appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys. Out of the joke, we will go ahead. As we did it before, we didn't ask any money for what we do. So we will go away. We will go on.
Go away.
Sorry, I'm touched. We will go on, and no matter what they say, in the next weeks, even if the lockdown will go on, we will go in the other areas of Sicily. Now we are focusing on the area of Palermo, of course, because it's closer to our home. Now we are about 40 minutes far from our house. And in the next week, we are planning to show you the area of Catania, the province of Messina, the province of Agrigento, the province of Enna. Tom, we look forward to going to your ancestor town.
And we are still looking for
Syracuse and Ragusa, the area of Trapani, so the entire island. We don't want anyone to stop our activity.
Yeah.
I don't mean our business. I mean our emotional activity.
Yeah.
Because for us, this is a passion. This is not a work. This is more than a passion. So we look forward, for example, to meeting again Eleonora.
Yes.
Eleonora in the area of Ragusa, Modica.
And we are thinking to start again with the stories of proud Sicilian around the world. This is a series of live broadcasts dedicated to all proud Sicily lovers around the world. And we had 10 episodes during the lockdown, and was a successful series.
If you want to deepen the knowledge of this series, you can visit our YouTube channel. We have collected all the episodes about Tom, for example, about Giorgio Genovese. Everybody,
Anthony and Frank Ragusa.
Yeah, everybody told us. Sure. many people told us their story, their
about their
ancestor story.
Yes.
The way how their ancestor went to America, went to Australia, went to Canada. And they are all beautiful stories.
Because they still preserve the Sicilian culture. Even if you are miles away from us, you still keep the connection with your homeland alive and strong. And this is amazing, guys. We really thank you to preserve the Sicilian culture in your country.
And I used to say, many of our friends, the Sicily lovers, many of you guys are more Sicilians than we are, than Sicilian people. You keep the connection to Sicily stronger. Sicilian people, in particular Sicilian young generations, don't have the same love for Sicily. So thank you for doing it. Thank you for preserving the real Sicilian culture, and we will go ahead. I was thinking about the third episode of the virtual Sicily lover.
Cooking class and Sicily lovers meeting. We are thinking about the third episode.
Forgive me, guys. I'm so tired. I don't remember the name of our virtual event. So,
Gianca, you are lost without me.
What can I do without you? I'm lost. I'm pretty lost. So, third episode. We are now planning the meeting. We are planning a meeting with another chef. As Rossella said in this live broadcast, perhaps we will focus on a dessert, on a some particular pastries, something between pastries and cookies.
Yes.
Buccellati. Many of you guys already asked us to make a cookery lesson dedicated to buccellati, and so we are so happy to planning this broadcast. And last but not least, we will make, I'm not sure right now, but it will be one of the most important dish based on meat in Sicily.
Don't say!
I don't say.
This is a Christmas dish because
Christmas dish.
Yes, and this will be a Christmas menu.
Yeah, perhaps this appointment, this event will be in the early days of December.
Stay tuned.
Perhaps the first weekend in December.
We are thinking.
We are planning.
Our battery is over.
Yeah, our battery is almost dead.
So
It will be a very long day.
Yeah.
3 different live broadcasts. We've been to the Lake Poma first, then we went to San Cipirello and San Giuseppe Jato, 2 beautiful villages very close each other.
And so check our previous live broadcasts.
And then we are ending our day with you here in Piana degli Albanesi.
Was a long day, but a beautiful day, and we are very happy to have you in our beautiful community of Sicily lovers.
In our life.
In our life.
You belong to our life. Guys, thank you so much for doing what you do. Even if you comment, even if you write something, you make us so happy, so touched. Thank you so much, and please stay tuned.
And share this live broadcast with your friends to spread the love for Sicily.
And visit also our YouTube channel.
Yes.
Where you can find all the live broadcasts and other videos dedicated to Sicily.
And subscribe our YouTube channel.
Best things to do in Sicily.
Is the name. And now,
Rosella.
let's say bye-bye before the mobile phone go down.
Yeah, it's pretty almost dead, but
Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao, we love you. Ciao.